Incredible things. Have you ever been on the mood to rearrange a little, to sort your knowledge tree? That, oh, it's something optional, it's not required, but once in a while you are in the mood. So usually you will expand, or let me see that some, for instance, in imports, or let me see, pessimism. Okay, that will be there, so we'll use drag and drop, or I use concepts, and the concepts will have hooks, so I move things around. But did you know, if you're not if you're not using hooks, what you can do is open a secondary knowledge tree. So the drag and drop is much easier. So do you see this icon that is blue with two sheets of paper next to the binoculars? Click on that, and voila! Now you see one dark and one that is white, and it's a lot easier. Let's say, oh, let me do something that it will be about linguistics, and drag and drop linguistics. Boom. Same method. Okay, that will be, I will put it there, Chinese, and so on. It will be a different experience that if I go to the imports. That's because I regroup by folders, but I will have a lot of time to scroll down and up, or let's say a pun, sarcasm, everything. This is related to rhetoric or language or linguistics. Oh yeah, what it is? Oh, I lost it. Let me scroll up. Oh, now I don't see it. Is this language? No. Oh, where it was, right? Now I have to go here again. Oh, here it is. But now, oh, where's the topic I want to move? I have to scroll again. Oh, here it is. Now I have to do this. Na na na. Waiting for the scrolling, and you can see this is not that useful. So I strongly recommend, if you're in the mood, when I say you're in the mood, is that you're going to drag and drop multiple things. You're going to spend a little time rearranging a little your knowledge tree, and if you're not using hooks at all, so you rely on drag and drop or manual rearrangement. You could do the same with move, Control Shift W, but the same thing happens. You have to scroll up, down, and so on by not using the mouse, but the same thing. So good to know you can do that. Overall, I will suggest if you're still experimenting, you're still deciding this deserves a branch, this deserves a concept, and so on. But long term, I will especially suggest to use hooks as much as possible. Nothing more to add today. Hope this can be useful, and see you next time.